My client, that is the first respondent, bravely went to Nakuru Police Station seeking assistance. He was referred to Tabitha Police Station. They reported again at Tabitha Police Station, and nothing was done. And even as I address you now, the hospital is being guarded by GOONS sent by the first defendant. And the unfortunate part, my lord, it has never happened. The police officers have refused completely even to arrest those ones who are armed with swords and booms and pangas. We pray, my lord, that it looks as if the county commander did one thing, just removing this one and prepared way for the wounds to move in. Because after going back with him, he's not doing anything. We are in a state of, I have never seen this, my lord, since I started my practice. It is something unprecedented where a county government is using GOONS, and I'm informed some of the reported GOONS are the county as in civilian. I pray, my lord, that you order the county commander to remove those people and further give 24-hour security to the hospital. Because as soon as he moves out, fastest for the sense, people to invade. So we pray that you order him to remove the people who are in the hospital and gives the hospital 24-hour security. That's also true.
To the effect that the county government should be taken away from Nakuru War Memorial Hospital. I personally had a conversation with my client, and in line with the court's directive, we agreed that the county askaris will leave the scene in compliance with the court order. Although the county attorney is here, is on call, he knows that that is the position that the county took. As such, it is very surprising for counsel to represent to this court that the county has purportedly gotten GOONS to take over the hospital. That is an action that cannot be ascribed to the county government. It is a government that follows the rule of law. One that respects court orders, even though might feel aggrieved. And so, my Lord, Mr. Nyamwange, County Attorney, can confirm that the county askaris left Nakuru War Memorial Hospital, and there is nothing with regard to the county standing today at Nakuru War Memorial Hospital. So I'm not sure where council got information to the effect that the county has sent GOONS. That is very disparaging of the county, and I would request that this court actually orders that such sentiments are withdrawn. Mr. Nyamonge is here, I can confirm.
The factual issues, then the county secretary will be able to make an affidavit in response to those allegations.
Mr. Karanja said that the county commander complied with the orders as were made by court on the 1st of February. Indeed, and it is in print and social media and all over Europe, that we even took a tour of the hospital together with Mr. Kamau and the matron of the hospital. The matron confirmed that everything was intact. Thereafter, the matron was called upon to call staff to enter the hospital. And at the end of it all, the county government was asked to remove the padlocks have been put on the gate. The matron to that hospital also was given an opportunity to close the hospital now and take over the hospital by the county commander in my presence and in the presence of the secretary, which he did. And then after election, that was what the court order was saying, that the county commander to assist. It is very clear in the order, Your Lordship. The order says the county police commander to allow access to hospital by staff, which we did, Your Lordship. Allegations made by counsel for the plaintiff are not towards the county commander.
Sorry?
Whoever allegations made by counsel for the plaintiff, senior Mr. Karanja, are not towards the county commander.
Okay, this is the directions I'll make. The plaintiff has made an oral application that the county commander be ordered to go to War Memorial Hospital and remove the armed group of persons who have occupied the hospital immediately after the county commander handed over the hospital to the owners. The county government of Nakuru and the Attorney General of Kenya have distanced themselves from the armed group occupying the premises. The plaintiff alleged that they have gone to the county commander to ask for assistance, but none has been forthcoming. It's strict law under Section 24 of the National Police Act 2011 that the National Police Service has a duty to aid the public when in need. That in Kenya, it's the duty of the Kenya Police to maintain law and order and to preserve peace. Moreover, it's the duty of the police to protect life and property and prevent and detect crime. The police force is required to apprehend offenders. Lastly, the police force is required to enhance all laws and regulations with which it has been charged. On 1st February 2024, the county commander handed over the War Memorial Hospital to the staff, but soon thereafter, it was taken over from the staff by an armed group, contrary to the order of this court. This invasion still defeats the order of this court and is an affront to the rule of law. The rule of law is greater than the rule of man or armed groups, which can easily lead to anarchy because groups will be arming themselves to defeat court order. The plaintiff has already approached the police for assistance, but none is forthcoming. Considering that it's the duty of the police to assist in such cases, I do hereby order that the county commander to visit the War Memorial Hospital within 24 hours of service of this order and to remove the armed group that is occupying the premises and give access to the management of the War Memorial Hospital and provide security against any further invasion by any armed group or person. The matter will be mentioned on the 7th of February 2024 at 1 p.m. Orders accordingly.
We are most obliged.
Most obliged,
We need to set this matter for hearing. I don't know whether parties have complied with pleadings so that we hear it once and for all. Have the defendants complied?
My Lord, I will be able to go again when the court sets a date, but still, my Lord, remember there is an application begging for content, and that should be done.
That application has indeed been overtaken by events. Because right now the county government is saying they are not in possession, they are not in occupation.
We can then take the actions on set that we have before you.
I can give directions on, I give you a mention date, and I give you hearing date, 4 days to be had in April, from a Monday to a Thursday.
Sorry, my lord.
Yes.
Other than the main suit, we have application before this court. There is the application by Mr. Karanja, the plaintiffs, which has not been determined on its merits. There are 2 applications that sought to set aside the interim ex parte orders. They have not been had. And so, my lord, even as we take directions, we will seek directions on the hearing of these applications. The court had already given directions on the 7th, but Mr. Karanja wanted content application as we speak today has been overtaken by events.
How many applications?
So, appreciate getting directions on the 7th.
How many applications are pending? You can take directions that you file submissions, then I give a ruling in those applications.
Yes, you can take directions. Okay.
How many are pending?
Also, there are 2 by the applicants. Because my lord, my lord is pointing out that the content has been removed. The very type of content has been removed by this court, where the county government invaded against and so for that. My lord, and not that finding ought to be made, ought to be done to people who are in content. The fact that they have been removed does not mean that the contempt is over. They committed contempt, and that ought to be punished. So that application for contempt is still pending. Where we are asked to find certain officers within the county government guilty of contempt.
Okay.
So there is that application which ought to take priority.
Okay, let me study the file, and we mentioned the matter on the 7th of February 2024 for directions. I'll give directions on how to conclude the applications and fast track the hearing of the suit, so that maybe it can be had in the month of April. 7th of February 2024. We'll be fast tracking the matter.
At 1 p.m., my lord.
Mention at 1 p.m.
Most of the lines, really.
Okay.